Hey again, everybody. Hopefully you watched the introduction video first, the Meet Your Teacher video first, before watching this one. But this one is just going to be quick information about what this class will look like online for these first 2 weeks. Obviously, if you are watching this, you got to the Schoology page okay, but I know this is sometimes a struggle, especially when you probably haven't worked with this before. You know, in fifth grade, I don't think you use this, most of you at least. So hopefully this video will help you just kind of see what English class will look like online. So every day there will be a daily checklist right at the top of your screen like this. This is unpublished because you can't see that yet, but the checklist will just tell you what to do in order. And then, so first watch the Meet Your Teacher video, then you should be watching this video, and then you're going to complete this survey here. This is just for me to get to know you a little bit and be able to treat you respectfully. That is my goal with this. That's why I'm asking these questions. I want to treat you the best way, the way that you want to be treated, and with respect. So do that, and then every day or every week there will be a weekly checklist, which will just have what to do each day. So if you just or someone likes to think ahead and just know what's coming, check here every week. This will be updated every week. It's not all going to be ready for you, but it'll be ready. It just won't be posted every day, but it'll have information about what is coming. So like tomorrow, we're doing daily routines and expectations. And then here's the video. It'll look better for you, hopefully. I think it's still loading or something, but if you miss a day and want to go back, okay, so like this is the daily checklist for Monday. If you miss that, then go to this folder here. Week 1, there'll be a folder for each week, and in that folder there will be a folder for each day. So like this, there'll be that Monday information will be in this folder after the day is over. So also, if you're watching this video, please check your email in a minute. I'm going to be sending out information about this, how to join me and just be able to chat with me, and information about like how to do live video call and just getting help with what we're doing. Okay, so I think that's about it. This little thing here, see this thing, click that if you want to send a message to somebody. You could message me or a classmate by using that. And yeah, I'm sure you'll be getting information about Schoology from other classes as well. But yeah, I won't talk too much. Hopefully this helped, and check your emails.